Hello everyone, welcome to your own YouTube channel Prepare with Rohit. Today in this video we are going to discuss IBPS Clerk 2022-2023 expected cutoffs for preliminary for Karnataka, and we are going to discuss the cutoff category wise, that is for General, SC, ST, OBC, EWS, ex-servicemen and dependent and disabled ex-servicemen separately. So it's a humble request to please subscribe, like and share your own YouTube channel. एकदम सटीक जानकारी मिलेगी आपको हमारे साथ आपके अपने YouTube चैनल प्रिपेयर विद रोहित में. So let us start this video. IBPS Clerk expected prelims cutoff 2022-2023 for Karnataka. In this we will discuss for each category starting from UR, that is General. Before that, I would like to say I am getting many messages that sir, we have qualified for RRB PO prelims and RRB clerical prelims. So I would like to congratulate each and everyone so that you can prepare for mains and get selection this year and your wish of getting selected in a bank and working there gets fulfilled. And if you have not qualified this, then also don't worry, because many exams are lined up. You have SBI clerical, you have IBPS PO exam, also FCI exam form filling is going on. So you have many opportunities which you can grab in the coming months. Also SBI PO notification is about to come. So don't get disheartened, keep preparing and prepare hard so that you get selected. And it is our wish that all our subscribers get selection this year and their wish of working in a bank gets fulfilled. So starting with UR cutoff, you can see the UR cutoff ranging from 66 to 70. 66 से लेकर के 70 की रेंज में आपको देखने को मिल सकता है. Now talking about SC category, this cutoff may range from 59 to 63. 59 to 63. Now talking about ST category, I would like to tell you that we are giving state wise and category wise expected cutoff, and this is our fourth video. In the previous 3 videos we have given cutoff of MP, Bihar and West Bengal. This is our fourth video on Karnataka. If you want next video to be on your state or your UT, so you can subscribe the channel and in the comment section you can mention your state, so that next video we can focus on your state expected cutoff for IBPS clerical prelims. And if you are liking the videos, you have any suggestion that you can give us through comment section, and do like, subscribe and share our channel. Now talking about ST category, the cutoff may range from 56 to 60. 56 to 60. Now for OBC, this cutoff may range from 63 to 67. I would like to say that this is our expected cutoff, and if you agree with it, you can share your feelings in the comment section. Even if you disagree, we respect you equally and you may write it in the comment section. We will try to improve our predictions also. And if you want these videos in English, do mention it in the comment section, otherwise we will be giving it in Hindi. So now talking about EWS, that is economically weaker sections, this cutoff may range from 63 to 67. 63 to 67. Now talking about EXS, that is ex-serviceman. So this gives me much pride that our channel is providing the cutoff for EXS, that is ex-serviceman, and DXS, that is dependent or disabled ex-serviceman also, because these cutoffs are not given in each and every YouTube channels. So if you are liking this, do subscribe our channel and do comment in the comment section. And if you want us to give a video on when IBPS clerk prelims result is expected, please mention us in the comment section. So next video we can give it on the date of result. And mains exam is scheduled on 8th of October, so keep preparing for your mains. And if you have any query, any doubt in your mind, you can mention us in the comment section. Now talking about EXS, that is ex-serviceman, this cutoff may range from 56 to 60. 56 to 60. Now talking about DXS, that is dependent or disabled ex-serviceman, this cutoff may range from 54 to 58. 54 to 58. So this is our expected cutoff. If you like it, do mention it. If you don't like it, then also we respect you equally. You may mention it in the comment section. We will try to improve our predictions and focus on our work also. And if you want these videos in English, do mention it. If you want it in Hindi, then also you can tell us in the comment section. Any more topics you want us to discuss in the next video, you can mention us in the comment section. And do subscribe our channel. Keeping the video short, I would like to say that keep preparing, don't get disheartened. You have many opportunities coming in the near months, and we wish that you will get selection in this year itself. And I would pray that you get selections from more than one exams, and you can choose from the qualified exam that where you want to go, which organization you want to join. So ending with this, it was all, and do subscribe our channel, like, share and subscribe it. With this I would like to end this video. Thank you very much.